In this video, we'll talk about the status bar in Excel. So starting at the far left, the word ready means Excel is ready for you to start working in this spreadsheet. If you don't see the word ready, it's probably in the middle of a calculation or an update. The next icon shows you if a macro is running or not, and you can actually record your macro from here. The accessibility option tells you if there are any accessibility issues in your spreadsheet, and if there are, just click on it to get ideas on how to improve. Display settings shows options on how to optimize your display. Next, we have the workbook views. The first one is normal view. The second one is page layout view, which shows your spreadsheet like it would appear on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And the third one is known as page break preview, which shows your spreadsheet in a more condensed mode where you see both the horizontal and vertical page breaks. And the zoom slider allows you to adjust the zoom level of your spreadsheet.